Alright, this is for IXL L.2. Graph the solutions to absolute value equations. So in this one, we're kind of doing what we did in L1. It's just when we're done, we have to then put the dots on the number line, basically. So the number line actually gives you a clue. If you get an answer and it's not one of these numbers, you know you did it wrong, right? So I'm going to start doing that. So I see the absolute values are all by themselves. There's nothing else on that side of the equation. So I'm going to split it into two new equations. I don't have room right here, so I'm going to put them over here. So my first one, I'm just going to rewrite it with no absolute values. Right. For the second one, we'll do the u plus 8 the same, but this time instead of positive 1, we're going to do a negative 1. Right. So to solve this, to move this 8, opposite of add 8 is minus 8. So we'll minus 8. Right. So those cancel. So our first one is u equals negative 7. The second one would be u equals negative 9. Alright, so negative 7 and negative 9 go over here. On negative 7, we'll put a dot. And on negative 9, we'll put a dot. There you go. That's number 1. Number 2, we've got 1 equals the absolute value of z plus 62. So it's similar to the last one we did. Absolute values are alone, so we'll split it into 2. The first time, we'll just copy it without the absolute values. Oops, that's a plus sign. Second time, leave the one that was in the absolute values the same. So it's still z plus 62. But instead of positive 1, we'll do negative 1 there. Right, so there's our two equations. So it says plus 62, we want a minus 62. Same thing over here. 1 minus 62 would be negative 61. And negative 1 minus 62 would be negative 63. So there's our two answers. So you can find them on here, just put a dot on each. And there's that. Okay, so for this one's a little longer. Kind of got some big numbers here. So again, so this time we've got some extra stuff. So before we split it, I need to take care of this. So we'll add 5 to both sides. That's going to be 350. And then divide both sides by 7. We have to put it down here. That's going to be 50 equals p plus 200. Then split it in 2. We get 50 equals p plus 200. And then what negative 50 equals p plus 200. Right. So to get p alone, minus 200 on both sides. We'll do the same thing down here. 50 minus 200 is negative 150. Negative 50 minus 200 would be negative 250. We get our two answers. Negative 150, negative 250. There you go.